Welcome to Honesty Legal Consultants. I am Advocate Abhishek Sinha, bringing an important legal update for you. The Delhi High Court pulls up trial court for letting go women suspects in an abduction case. The Honorable High Court said gender-based assumption in favor of any women suspect without substantive basis or valid grounds went against the core principles of the justice system. The Delhi High Court, while dealing with a revision petition by Delhi Police challenging an order by a trial court that discharged 5 women suspects in a kidnapping case, has said that gender-based assumption in favor of any women suspect without substantive basis or valid grounds went against the core principles of the justice system. The Honorable Court, setting aside the order, sent the case back to the trial court and directed circulation of the judgment among all judicial officers and director of Delhi Judicial Academy for taking note of its contents. The single judge bench of Justice Swarnakant Sharma said that the involvement of each individual in a criminal act has to be assessed independently based on the statements recorded and evidence collected by the prosecution and placed on record before the court. The trial court in the present case has given no reason as to what led it to believe at this stage to assume on its own that the female members could not have participated in the commission of offence, despite there being specific allegations levelled and specific roles attributed to them by the victim himself as recorded in the FIR and statement of the independent witnesses. The trial court had framed charges against 5 men in the case and discharged 5 women accused on the ground that there was no evidence to prove they had instigated the male accused. The order was challenged by the state in High Court. The bench said, pulling up the trial court, in this court's opinion, the learned trial court committed a grave error by discharging the accused persons on the basis of assumptions which were not permissible at the stage of framing of charges. It is crucial to note that the learned trial court has on its own presumed and assumed that when the male members were already beating the complainant, there was no occasion for the lady members to instigate them and to join them in beating the victim. The Honorable High Court said the presumption in favor of the women was met by the trial court at the stage of framing charges, when its primary duty was only to see whether a prima facie case was made out or not. It said that the charge sheet was filed against 10 persons, including 5 women, and the trial court discharged the women. Thank you.